Instacart refunds are usually processed through the order issue tool in the app, and most cases are reviewed using shopper receipts, delivery photos, and item availability logs. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where to request a refund, what Instacart actually approves, and what to do if your refund gets denied. Start in the Instacart app. D. Open your account and go to your order history. Tap the order that has the issue. Refund requests only work from inside that specific order screen, not from general support. Tap Get Help or Report a Problem. This is where Instacart routes all refund claims. You'll see options like missing items, damaged items, wrong items, or incorrect charges. Pick the closest match, because each category is reviewed differently. If something is missing, list exactly what was not delivered. If something is damaged, describe the condition clearly and mention packaging if it was affected. Instacart often checks shopper-submitted photos and store item availability before deciding. If you were overcharged, compare your receipt in the app with what you expected. Substitutions, weighted items, and store price differences are common reasons the final total changes. The system will often reject claims if the charge matches adjusted pricing from the store. After you submit the request, Instacart reviews it automatically in many cases. Some refunds are approved quickly if the issue matches clear delivery errors like missing items. Others are escalated for manual review if more verification is needed. If your refund is denied, don't immediately resubmit the same claim. Instacart can flag duplicate requests and slow down further review. Instead, recheck your order details and make sure you selected the correct issue type. If you still believe the charge is wrong, use the help section again and choose to contact support. That opens a chat where you can explain the issue in more detail and provide additional context. Bank chargebacks should only be used as a last option. If you dispute through your bank too early, it can interfere with your Instacart account and pause future refund eligibility while the investigation is active. The key points are simple. Always start from the exact order. Match your issue to the correct category. And escalate to support chat only when the automated system doesn't resolve it. Next time something is wrong with your Instacart order, act quickly inside the app while the order details are still fresh and easy to verify. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides on delivery apps and refund fixes.